Disengaged leaders cause disengaged employees. I'm Greg Schenkel, President of Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems. And I want to talk today about the fact that when you as a leader are disengaged, it causes your employees to be disengaged. Many companies are trying to increase their employee engagement, but what if the root cause is that the leader's disengaged? Think of employee engagement like the transmission in your car. When the transmission is disengaged or in neutral, all the power from the engine isn't making it to drive the wheels and make the car go forward. In the same way is when leaders are disengaged, the organization can't move forward. Now, leader disengagement happens for the same reasons as employee disengagement. They don't feel respected by their manager, they don't feel like they have a say in decision making, and they aren't kept in the loop in terms of communication. Finally, they usually don't receive enough positive feedback and appreciation themselves as leaders. That lack of leader motivation and engagement tends to breed cynicism and sarcasm and negativity in the leader themselves. Then the employees take a look at the apathy of their leader and figure, why should I care when my boss doesn't seem to care? The senior leadership team should lead the leaders in the same way as they want those leaders to lead the team members. Some managers think that the supervisors should be tough enough to not need those basic motivators. But the reality is that supervisors are employees too, and their needs aren't that different from the needs of the frontline employees. That might also explain why many supervisors will tell us our managers need some training. So instead of being offended by that comment, perhaps managers can be a little bit more self-reflective and ask themselves if they're delivering the basic motivators to their supervisors. Re-engaging your supervisors is a great first step to engaging your frontline employees. And once you've motivated your leaders and they start to motivate and engage your employees, you might decide that they could benefit from more leadership development. Remember, our Frontline Leadership Program is available to train all of your leaders to be more consistent, more effective, and more capable. Reach out to us at our website at uniquedevelopment.com, or why not join one of our social media communities on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. I look forward to engaging with you in a leadership conversation. If you love Leader Feeder, you're going to love our 2-day public workshop that we offer in many different cities. To check out where those next sessions are, visit us at uniquedevelopment.com.